Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a password for a compressed file using WinRAR. First, locate the compressed file you want to set a password for. Simply double-click on the file and it will open automatically in WinRAR. Now, in the WinRAR window, click on the Tools tab at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Convert Archive. In the Convert window, click on the Set Password option. A pop-up window will appear. Enter your desired password. Make sure it's something secure that you'll remember. After entering the password, you'll need to re-enter it to confirm. Once confirmed, click Save, then click OK. Your file is now password protected, and that's it. You've successfully set a password on your compressed file using WinRAR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.